Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Paul with SWAT Team Animal and Pest Control Specialists. We are a full service animal and pest control specialist serving the entire state of New Jersey. We are here in Farmingdale, New Jersey, and sometimes it's a sad commentary, but we do have a dead deer here, and it looks like it was killed for game. And again, it's a sad commentary to see beautiful deer that people do kill for sport. And here we have an arrow inside this poor deer. Yes, sometimes people pull out guns, sometimes they pull out arrows, and just for the sake of killing, they kill. And Lord have mercy on us. But we're here to take this deer and bury it in a burial, and we also sanitize, disinfect, and deodorize this area with a eucalyptus, a refreshing eucalyptus. And this is Paul signing out. Dead deer removal, and also we do all dead animals and animals inside structures, outside the house, whether it be raccoons, squirrels, whatever it is. Please be sure to give us a call. Northern Jersey number is 973-388-9126. For Central Jersey and the Jersey Shore, that number is 732-664-5667. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.